Hi everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be taking a look at enterprise expenses and how you can add them via our mobile app. So let's just jump straight in. To find and download the apps, you can do so from either the app or the Play Store. Just search for Enterprise Expense. And once you open it, you'll be able to log in with the same credentials that you do for the Enterprise web application. On logging in, the first thing you're going to see is your home screen. And here you can see a couple of graphs, expenses in the current month and what's been approved in previous months. So I can see what for myself has been approved, outstanding, and is rejected in February. And in my previous 4 months, I can see what has been approved and the value of that. In order to add an expense, you want to press the plus button in the bottom right. Let's start with a mileage. Go ahead and enter the date, the start location, and the end location. This will default to your current location, or you can use a postcode or change it manually. Pop in the distance and the purpose, and then paid by either me or the company. Me is assuming it is coming out of pocket and I need to be reimbursed, whereas paid by the company would assume that I have a company card. Okay, as I select this, we can see further down my mileage rate has been applied automatically, and I can go ahead and submit this expense, and it will go to my approver. Pressing plus once again, we can come in and look at adding a receipt instead. Now the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a picture of my receipt. Select the camera in the top right and select either from your album or from your camera. Let's take a quick picture. Okay, approve that and it will be added onto my document. And when this then goes to my approver, they will be able to review the receipt before approving. Come in now and select your category. These are the same categories that have been set up in your expense web. Enter the date if you want to change it, and you can come down and enter some currency in here now. If you do apply a currency different from your base currency, it will apply a live exchange rate. So for example, if I select Malaysian ringgit in here, it will automatically apply an exchange rate there for me. All I need to do is come in and enter my purpose. And then again, paid by myself or the company. I do have the option here to save as a draft or submit the expenses. All of our mobile apps are offline and online capable. So if you don't have Wi-Fi or internet connection at any given time, save as a draft and you can upload it to the system later. From here, we can come in to our outstanding expenses. This is where we're going to be able to review what is currently not approved, and I can click into any of these and view what I have submitted recently. And as well as that, the next tab on is going to show us our history, and this is where we can see the full list of what's been approved or rejected in the past. So that about wraps things up for enterprise expenses via the mobile app. If you have any more questions, please feel free to check out our help center at help.enterprise.com, or if you're on the web, go ahead and use our live support if there are any specific questions from here. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.